Google Photos is hands down the best application that you can use both to access your video and photo content on your phone as well as to back up those items to your cloud storage on your Gmail account. If you're using another type of application that came with your phone, maybe a photo gallery, something like that, scrap that and just use Google Photos. Download it if you have to, if it's not already on your phone. Here's the thing, is that when you take photos and videos, it uses a lot of storage space on your device. It can run out pretty quickly, especially if you have low amount of storage, maybe 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes, that can get clogged up pretty quick. What do you do about that? Well, here I am to tell you about this. It's very simple. We're going to go up here to the hamburger menu or the 3-bar menu, and we're going to push that. After you push that, you see some options here on the menu. One of them is free up space. Push that, and here's the option right here, free up to 25.15 gigabytes. That's what I can free up right now. So you simply press it. And here it is. It's freeing up 25.15 gigabytes. That's a lot of storage space. And here, let me tell you why you want to do this. Number one, you don't have unlimited storage, right? Number two, your phone will start to behave poorly if that storage space gets clogged up. It just will. You'll find that your phone will be sluggish, it won't work properly, and it could just plain shut down, which happened to me when I was recording something that I wanted to save. So you want to keep this free. You want to have a little wiggle room with your storage on your device. It just makes sense. So follow those easy steps and it'll free up this space on your device. And now somebody's going to say, wait, what about my pictures and videos? Are they just going to go away? No, they're not just going to go away. What's going to happen, they're already being backed up. If you do not have it set to back up your photos and videos, make sure you go into your settings and enable backups, all right? You want to go ahead and make it so it backs up over Wi-Fi. You can even make it so it'll back up over Wi-Fi only when it's plugged in. I would not suggest that you use your carrier data unless you have some sort of unlimited plan or whatever, because that'll eat that up really quickly. Anyway, make sure you have things backed up, and what happens to your pictures? They're stored remotely on your Gmail account. They won't be stored on your device per se anymore, but I just freed up all the space. And look, I have thumbnails of all those same things, and I can open up and access it right there. Now, if I want to do anything with that photo, it'd be just a matter of downloading it, and it'll be stored locally again. Pretty cool. Anyway, check it out. Try it. I think that this is going to be really good for you because your phone's going to be optimized to run just the way it's supposed to. And yeah, that's a good thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.